What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. So in this video, we're going to be putting on the back bash bar of the car. I already have it prepped. I just got to hit it with acetone. It's right there. So yeah, hit that acetone, and then I'll probably put the molding around the front windshield back on. There's that on there. And then I'll figure something else out what we're going to do in this video. But basically pushing the whole car back together and getting it ready for the motor. So yeah, so let's get the back bash bar hung up and then start painting it. Fall apart.
She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain, and now I'm taking these shots like it's Novocaine. Yeah, ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Didn't know before. Surprised when you caught me off guard. Hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty, I thought. Never caught a feeling this hard. Harder than the liquor I pour. Tell me you don't want me no more, but I can't let go. Everybody told me so. Feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a whore. Devil in the form of a whore. Surprised when you cut me off. Dance to my core. Dance to my core. Better than the liquor I pour. Me you don't want me no more, but I can't let go. Everybody told me so. Time to my core. Ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Ooh, didn't know before. Surprised when you caught me off guard. Hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty, I thought. Just keep pouring and the drink keep flowing. Try to brush it off, but it keep on going. Covered in scars and I can't help showing. Whipping in the foreign and the tears keep rolling. Ice keep dropping and the drink keep flowing. Try to brush it off, but it keep on going. All these scars can't help from showing. Whipping in the foreign and the tears keep rolling.
Alright guys, so I finished the bash bar. After I got done spraying the coat, I just hurry up and I gave the bottle a couple squeeze, and I think it came out pretty nice. So now it'll match the white paint, but right here I kind of overdid it in this corner, put a lot on, but everywhere else it looks nice. So while that dries, I think I'm gonna put the weather stripping on the car. Weather stripping or window molding that goes right here. And then I knew I forgot to tighten this down under the tail light, so I'll bolt that down when I put the bash bar on. And yeah, so let's put the window stripping back on.
She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain, and now I'm taking these shots like it's Novocaine. Yeah, ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Ooh, didn't know before. Surprised when you caught me off guard. Hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty, I thought. Never caught a feeling this hard. Harder than the liquor I pour. Tell me you don't want me no more, but I can't let go. Everybody.
Alright YouTube, so I got the molding back on. Had to use WD-40 right here from like this area over. I guess when I put the window in, they didn't center it, so it was like really tight right here. So I use WD-40 with a screwdriver. Got it in though. So let's open up the trunk, take the subs out. I'm gonna bolt that piece under the light in, and then I'll come get you guys when I put the bash bar in. Alright guys, so I got that little piece under the light on. You guys ever seen my truck restoration video? Go check that out. It's a couple weeks ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago I did that. Alright guys, you guys ready to see that bash bar? Sorry I didn't record, it took me about an hour to do. Cause I bumped the wall at Willow. Now I was drifting. So, let me show you how it looks. Man.
Only soul, feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a whore. Devil in the form of a whore. When you call me out.
Dang, look at that booty on that car. Oh my god. Alright guys, there you guys go. You guys see the bash bar on the car. Got the window done. Got that little strip on the lights bolted up. So we're almost done with this car. Like, seriously, almost done. Only thing we need to do is gotta get tires, bigger tires for the back. We gotta get new tires for the front too, actually. We wire the engine bay, paint the engine bay, mount up the fenders and the bumper, and paint the fenders, bumper, the front bumper, and then the door handles. And literally, it's just the motor left. Like seriously, it's the motor left. So, oh yeah, motor left plus the seats. Then after that, then I promise you, just the motor. So we're almost there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know in the comment how you guys feel about the car, because that car is looking beautiful right now. You know, I might not even drift it anymore because it's coming out so nice. Nah, just playing. I'm still going to drift it. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys having a wonderful day, and stay tuned to the next video. Catch you guys later.